Do you guys see this wig? Do you see this color? Oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys, let's get into this premiere. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. So thank y'all so much for catching the premiere today. So today I have a gem for you guys. As you guys can see, we are going to get into this really beautiful wig. I am so in love with this wig. So go ahead on, stay tuned so you can get all the tea on this wig. Okay, you guys, so I want to give you guys a small unboxing. So this is the box that it comes in. You get a couple little goodies in here. They give you some lashes and a wig cap. They also give you tweezers. That's what that plastic bag was. They give you a flat kind, so it's really nice. So it comes in this like satin bag, and this is the hair. The hair is beautiful. When I took it out, it is soft. Although it's curly, it's not tangling or anything like that. So as you guys can see, the lace on this is pretty transparent. You get lace in the front and you get lace in the back. You get about 5 combs in this. I wanted to insert this so you guys could get all the information as far as the company is concerned, the density, how long mine is. Mine's 24 inches. Mine is 150% density. So that's what this is, and you can bleach it and everything like that, and it kind of gives you like some delivery time as far as how long it would take for you to get the wig and all that kind of stuff. So they do have a return, so you can return if you have a problem with it. So I went ahead on, I bleached the knots, and then I washed this hair really good, and then of course it just stretched right out. This is after I tweezed the front of it just a little bit. I just wanted to go in. I think I went kind of crazy with tweezing, but I cut into it, so you'll see that once I put it on, that it did come out pretty good. So I'm going to use some of this new tint spray that I got from my local BSS, and I like it. So I'm not using that Evelyn anymore. I really like this one. It blended in very well. So I went in and sprayed it. You have a lot of lace that comes on this, so you're going to have to like really get in there to cut all the lace off, which is nice that they give you plenty of lace. So once I cut the lace off, for those of you who watch me all the time, you guys know like my struggle always is I do have healthy edges, so I always have to like make sure that these wigs, when I want to lay them completely down, fit over my edges, or I have to get really creative when it comes to doing my sides. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of trying to carve it out. It probably would have been better to not use scissors, maybe use one of my razors, but I always get annoyed with that too because it doesn't cut the lace quite how I want to sometimes. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to see. Now this one side was long. This lace or this wig was a little bit long, so it was going like by my ear, so I did have to cut into the wig, excuse me, just a bit. So since I wanted to put this wig down, I was gonna leave it down for the rest of the week. I went ahead and went in with some of my bow hold, so I put that on there. I'm sorry you guys, some of my Ghost Bond. I put Ghost Bond on there because I was like, I wanted to leave it down for quite a while. So as you guys can see, the Ghost Bond, all you got to do is just go in with a rat tail comb. It's like your best friend when you're doing these types of things, and you're just going to go ahead on and lay it down. I put down like a thin little bit, and then I go back with a little bit of my spray, my Got To Be Glued spray, and I do that like a couple times until it gets nice and tacky, and then I put my blow dryer on. Now after I do that, then I'm going to pull the hair forward. Now as you guys can see, I did have the ball cap on already. I did another review, so I had a ball cap on. It was kind of crusty. I did have to go in and cut off pieces of it just a little bit after I tinted it. So all in all, I think once I put the wig on, it looked really good. Now if you're thinking, okay, it's still thick in the front, yes sis, they give you like a lot of hair. So if you want to go in and pluck even more, you can. I thought I overplucked this wig, but obviously I didn't. I still could have went in and plucked some more. So I was trying to decide how I wanted my baby hairs, trying to make sure that one, I covered the lace, and that two, I did justice to my side. So I feel like I did. I pretty much pulled it out on the side where you would see it, and then I tied it up. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm in love with this wig. I'm in love with the color. So let's go ahead on and get into it, and let's talk pros and cons. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for this wig, and as I imagine, she is absolutely gorgeous. So let me go ahead on and give you guys a 360 of this wig so we can get into it, because sis, this wig is so me. It screams fall. It just screams Yes, so this is the front. I did go ahead on and tack it down around the hairline, as you guys can see. I did go in and bleach the knots, as you guys may have seen. And this is the hair in the back. Okay, but you guys, this hair is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the color blend on this. The lace was really nice as well. I think I probably could have got away with just taking some of my wig tint spray and using that and not bleaching the knots. It probably still would have looked good for those who don't want to go through all that. But this company really has come through with this hair. I'm so glad to work with them. So I'm so glad to be working with them. Like I said, they are a new company. I have seen a couple other YouTubers review wigs from them. Otherwise, this wig is just gorgeous. It is totally ball drip. Come through. I'll leave you guys some information below on where to purchase her coupon codes if I have them, so make sure you guys check the description box below. Thanks to all my returning subscribers and YouTube babes. Hey girl, hey, thank you guys so much for catching a premiere today. Let me know what you guys think of this wig, this color. I'm here for it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.